Are expensive roaming charges ruining your trips? ZetSIM Global has the perfect solution, ZetSIM's eSIM. This eSIM works just like a physical SIM and can easily be installed by scanning a QR code. Travel the globe without the hassle of physical SIM cards or worrying about high roaming charges. With ZetSIM Global, you stay effortlessly connected across 180 countries and over 600 networks worldwide. Whether exploring vibrant city streets or discovering remote landscapes, ZetSIM provides reliable global coverage, keeping you connected wherever your adventures take you. ZetSIM's eSIM offers blazing fast internet at an affordable price. Topping up is super easy, and you can choose any data plan for your destination country. Plus, enjoy unlimited WhatsApp calls and Instagram scrolling to stay connected with loved ones and share your travel moments in real time. Designed for all kinds of travelers, ZetSIM offers a range of data plans to suit your needs. Whether you're a leisure traveler looking to stay connected for occasional updates or a business professional needing consistent access to emails and documents, ZetSIM has flexible data options. With just one eSIM for a lifetime, you can top up easily with any data plan you choose. Go SIMless with ZetSIM. Switch today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ZetSIM Global.